Welcome back to another day with Derek Stokes at Stoke Living. And it's a very nice day today, other than it's kind of chilly. It had a cold front come through last night and dropped down to, I think, in the 20s. And it's about 34 degrees right now. We had a full day today with basketball. Both my kids had their final game for the season. Philip, he had a good game, and they won a tournament in Salina. And Olivia, she had her conference finals, and they won also. Played really well. I'm pleased with them, with the progress they're doing, and their teams. All together, everybody on the teams, they progressed very well. They did good. It's fun watching them. So I went out and checked the animals this morning. I was kind of in a hurry and fed everything, but we're going to kind of go back through and do a little once over and make sure they're doing good. Still got two little babies on the ground. They seem to be thriving and doing good. The one, I'm not sure what you'd call it, like kind of got a little red along with it. He sure likes to pester his mom. If the mom's not around, he is making some noise. The other one, kind of stays to himself and does pretty good. Ollie, you gonna go out there? He likes to get out of his pen, kind of roam around a little bit. It's all right. He gets a little excited whenever the rest of the goats are out here. But the animals seem to be doing well. There's old Billy. So I was kind of come out here to check on the goats. I was checking everything over and couldn't find the new little baby and the little white one. And it was off by itself, just laying down. Kind of everything else was off eating. And I came over there and I kind of picked up the little baby, and I noticed that he was holding his leg, kind of odd, back leg, and I kind of moved him around a little bit. That back leg was kind of swinging, and I felt down in there, and it looks like right above the joint on the leg, the leg is broken. So I'm kind of at a loss on what to do. I called my friend, and he kind of got me into the goat stuff. I asked him. I said, "What do you think? What do you think I should do?" And he said, "You could make a splint for it." So that's what I want to try it out. We'll try it out and watch it, make sure it's not suffering. That's the main thing, is make sure that these animals are not suffering. And it wasn't making a whole lot of noise. I mean, you can tell that something ain't right with it, but it's not like it's in a whole lot of pain. So I'm going to try and make a little homemade splint for it, bring the mama inside our little kitten pen, so it doesn't have to go very far to eat, and just kind of watch it for the next few days and really keep an eye on it and make sure it gets better. And that's the main thing, is it's not suffering and that it's getting better. And that's just part of the farm life. You want to do what's best for the animals, and we'll just kind of watch it and see what we can do. Makes 2 weeks in a row making emergency runs to Atwoods to go get stuff. 2 Saturdays in a row to go in Atwoods. These goats have got me a little bit worried. They might be a little bit high maintenance, but it's an adventure. It's a journey, I guess, just kind of figuring these things out. And looks like probably that little baby goat probably got stepped on or butted, or there's no telling what, but he broke his leg. Looks like his back leg on the femur part. So I'm gonna go get some vet wrap and probably some old popsicle sticks and try to make a splint out of it. So I don't know, see how it goes, and try to get that little kid back to eating and try to get it better. So we'll see how this goes. Well, just got back from Atwoods. Well, not back, I just left Atwoods, and I got me some vet wrap, and I got this this paste. We'll try it out. It says kind of for kids and goats, well, like human kids, but just goat kids. So yeah, don't try this on the kids. But if they've been kind of stressed out, it's supposed to kind of help them out. So kind of the main goal is to get this leg splint, and get it with the mom, get it to eating, because I'm not sure, I didn't get to watch it today, so I'm not sure when the last time it ate. And just get the little guy to feeling better. I am by no means a vet. I've been around animals all my life, but to be honest with you, kind of whenever something like this was you just kind of send them on the greener pastures. But doing a little research, and when I'm going to try this out and see if we can get this guy back up and going. So we'll just monitor him and make sure that he's not suffering. That's the main thing. You don't want him to suffer. So we're just going to try to get him better and see how it goes. I've been watching a show Katie told me about. We've been watching it, All Creatures Great and Small, and I think I might be able to do a few different things off that show. I don't know, probably not, but it's a pretty good show. So if you get time, it's on PBS, and it's a good family. I don't know, I think it's a family show. Kids, they can seem to really like it, so might go check it out. All Creatures Great and Small. Pretty good. I like it. So we'll see how good of a vet I am. I don't know. Probably should quit my day job. So okay. Dr. Stokes. No, it's not a real doctor, just play doctor. We have got some paste to kind of help them out. Got some vet wrap, I think they call that. Some of this here. I'm not sure if we're going to use that big stuff or not. Let's see how this goes. I gotta hold his head back right there. There you go. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. We have got a broken leg, and it's right here. Okay. It's right there. I'm going to put a splint right through here. Okay, I know it, buddy. All right. Okay. I'm going to hold this up. Okay, I want you to bring that tape. I want you to bring the tape around for me, okay? I'll hold this. Sorry, buddy. Right there. And we're gonna kind of go from here up to that. The top side of the popsicle sticks.
Okay.
There you go, yeah, with that.
Oh, shoot. Maybe you should just. I just don't want to pull on it and it pull its leg. Well, oh shoot! That wasn't very good, was it?
Yeah, that looks better. Trying to get around this. See this joint right here? It's okay, buddy.
Oh gosh, this is so.
Yeah, that's pretty sticky stuff.
Okay.
See this joint right up here? Kind of get, yeah, there you go. There you go. It's all right, buddy.
One more time up there? Or?
Yeah, do it one more time up there. Okay, now bring it around. Yeah, like
Okay.
it's okay.
Okay.
Now bring it around the leg.
Okay. Oh, this is awful.
All right, now go ahead and cut the. All right, just pull it back.
There you go.
All right. Okay. All right. Well, we got it somewhat immobilized. Okay, there you go.
So now what?
Okay. All right. So now we're gonna take it to its mama.
How's it gonna stand up?
No, they just won't kind of use that. Okay, so we're gonna take little Tyke. I ain't got a name for him yet. We're gonna put him in the small pen. We got his leg kind of immobilized, and we're gonna get his mom and we're gonna put him in a small pen and make sure he's eating and kind of get it where he doesn't have to chase her around the field to eat. Get used to his new little cast or splint, what you want to call it. Oh, poor buddy. Come here. See? Come on. You want to get your food.
Those are really close.
There you go. Get your food. Come here. Come here. Here's your mom. Here's your mama. Get you. There you go.
Can you stop now?
Let's keep on filming. Get down there. Ollie, you calm down.
I think the goat still has its paste in its mouth.
Uh-huh.
I think the goat still has the paste in its mouth.
Yeah. Kind of put some of that paste in his mouth. You can't get rid of it, can it?
How are you gonna get rid of it? It's cold.
Okay, I'll take it over for you. Come on a little bit. There we go, a little tight getting after it. Hey, eat with your mouth closed. Quit smacking. Mind your manners, Margaret. Oh no. Well, that could have been the cause of the broken leg. She's stomping all over him. Hang in there, Tyke. You got it. Margaret, be good. Margaret, you share some of that milk. Can't keep it all. There you go. There you go. Keep it up. Well, we got the leg splinted. That's the water going. It's not me doing other things. And I feel pretty good about it. I think it immobilized it. The tape job probably wasn't the best, but I think it should be pretty good recovery on it. I don't know. We'll have to kind of see. So I kind of felt like we gave it a pretty good effort. So I don't know. We'll just time will tell. We'll have to watch them and see how he recovers. I hate it, but maybe we can get him to live. And we caught it, I think, in time to where he didn't get down to where he couldn't eat or anything. So he's after his mama wanting to eat, and so that's good. So we'll just keep an eye on him and see how it goes. So I don't know. Well, I think it probably does it for another day here on Stoked Living. Thanks for joining me. Just always, I didn't know I was going to be doctoring a little baby goat, trying to fix a broken leg today. I mean, I was going to go work on the garden, maybe the fire pit, I don't know. But you never know whenever you get out here what life's going to bring you and what's going on out here on the farm. So we'll see what our next adventure is going to be. So thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, and have a great rest of your week. See you guys.